This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your Samsung TV and mobile device are on the same Wi-Fi network, because screen mirroring needs local network discovery. Once done, open your TV settings, navigate to Connections or Network, and enable Screen Mirroring or Samsung Smart View. On your phone, swipe to the quick panel and look for Smart View or Cast. Enable it so the phone starts searching. You're starting the connection process now. Don't skip verifying network and feature toggles. Now you initiate the actual link. From your phone's Smart View or Cast list, tap the Samsung TV's name. Your TV will display a prompt to allow the connection. Once you accept on the TV, it may show a PIN. Type that into your phone if prompted to verify the session. Make sure to choose whether you mirror the full screen or just an app. Phones let you switch. After authorization, your phone's display appears on TV and audio follows automatically. Adjust volume as needed. To finish, confirm display settings. Use TV aspect ratio or phone screen settings to correct cropping or black bars. Once done, test video and audio playback and close other heavy apps to reduce lag. If the connection drops, restart your phone and TV and reboot the router to clear network interference. That fixes most issues. If wireless remains unreliable, use a wired HDMI adapter for a stable connection. Troubleshooting tip: always check for firmware or OS updates before deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.